Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. In today's video, I have this fix for you for the previous observation final form video, alright? So I have tried a very completely different approach right here, and you'll see what I've done exactly in tomorrow's tutorial video. I have now some other things for you, so make sure to join the Discord server guys, because I'm now working on a new concept of videos, because I'm now going to drop some reviews of your games. So if you want your game to be reviewed by me via video, and also advertised, because I'm going to publish that video of course on YouTube, then join the Discord server, leave a link of your game in the Discord server, alright? Very important. That being said, enjoy the video. The model is also in the description, means in the Discord server, in specific channel right there. Also make sure to check out my second channel. With that being said, enjoy.